Understanding tangent ratio, C2. It's a communication question. How can you make a right triangle with tan x equals to 0.75? Is it a unique triangle? Explain. So when we say that tan x equals to 0.75, what we're trying to say is that in a right triangle, so let me make a right triangle here. This is my triangle, right? So in a right triangle, any right triangle for that matter, this angle is 90 degrees. Then, and this is our angle x. Tan x equals to 0.75 means that the ratio of opposite side, that is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side, ADJ, adjacent side. So the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side is 0.75. So when we say tan x equals to 0.75, we mean that the ratio of opposite side over adjacent side is equals to 0.75. Correct? It means if I make a right triangle with opposite side as, let us say, 0.75, then this side will be 1. Right? So it's just a ratio, right? So it could be any triangle which has that kind of ratio. So one triangle could be that I can make this triangle with this adjacent side as 1 and the opposite side as 0.75. So this is one possibility. So this triangle will have tan x as 0.75. Well, you could make any triangle, right? So if I draw a perpendicular here, even this triangle will have tan x as 0.75. Correct? Is it a unique triangle? No. As I explained, it is not a unique triangle. Any similar triangle with this angle x, so that the ratio of opposite and adjacent side is 0.75, will be the triangle which will meet this criteria. So you can also write this as, for example, 75 over 100. So we can make a big triangle with opposite side of 75 and adjacent as 100. So that could be alternate solution, right? Which can be reduced as 3 over 4. So any side which has a ratio of 3:4 will satisfy this equation, that is tan x equals to 0.75. So what we are trying to say here is that the opposite side to adjacent side ratio is 0.75 or 3:4. So that means 4 times the opposite side is equals to 3 times the adjacent side. So all those triangles where this ratio is 0.75 will give us tan x equals to 0.75. Right? So our answer is, how can you make a triangle with tan x equals to 0.75? Make a right triangle so that the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side is 0.75. Is it a unique triangle? No. You can make infinite number of triangles. The only care you have to take is that the ratio of opposite to adjacent is maintained, right? So this line could be extended forever, and all those triangles in between where a vertical line is drawn will satisfy this condition. Okay, so tan x equals to 0.75. It is not dependent on the size of the triangle, it is only dependent on this angle x. Thank you.